all the great personalities and great mind who listen me. Today I wish to tell something about the beginners of English learning or spoken English beginning or some learning comprehensive language. So first of all, learning a language we need a strong desire, strong ambition. Just what I used to tell you that what Paulo Coelho mentioned that if you have a strong dream, desire, the entire universe will come and embrace you to fulfill the dream. So first of all, make a strong desire and you go ahead. Maybe somebody will come and disappoint you, maybe from the very family itself, maybe from your neighbors or friends may disappoint you. Never think about them and never ignore them instead in this regard, and you go ahead and learn. First of all, you already take a decision, and that's why you listen to my video also. And the second step, just try to listen. There are four LSRW, four things: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And now you listen. First of all, you may be not understanding anything, even a single word. Suppose not understand anything. You listen some videos of English, some videos of conversation, something like that. So you start beginning like that. Listen and let your interest be deepen. Slowly, of course, you will get some development, some words or something, some sentences. Slowly, you will get to understand. And the second step, uh, try to speak slowly, whatever you know. Maybe come here, go there, bring it. What is this? What is that? Some like WHO questions, like what is that? What is this? Who is there? Who will come? Some simple questions. Trying to make some starting like that. And how are you? Where are you going? What are you doing? How many kids do you have? Something like that. Some type of small questions. Automatically you will develop. And then listening, speaking, reading. Sometime to try to read also. Try to read some little bit of small stories. So thus you will get some type of vocabulary, some type of ideas, and automatically don't never think about grammar. It will come automatically. So you continuously try to do like this: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Automatically it will come. How a small child, example, 1 year old child, how the child is speaking? Because of the observation, because of the listening of parents, the small baby start to speak. The child didn't go any school, any university or anywhere, but by listening, the child started to speak. So this is the way that trying to speak English. So slowly you will develop strong desire and listening of English stories, English what we call this conversation, and small cartoons, and then automatically you will get to know. And try to find a partner who is able to speak English. For example, maybe your friend circle or classmates or somebody who knows a little bit of English. Try to speak with them and tell your problems to them. And whatever you know, maybe I mentioned earlier, WHO, who is there, how are you, what are you, like this type of small speeches you start to speak, and he will also answer you. Thus you will get up to a great extent. Slowly you will develop. So this is the first step. Take a strong desire, start to listen something in English, start to read something if you know reading. Try to read some simple humble stories, and listening, speaking, reading, and writing also. And slowly try to write also. So then you will get a very excellent English. So this is not no need for a long time. If you continuously, suppose if you start today, procrastination is not good. So do not extend the dates. Just start today itself, and try to listen something, some of the conversation. Suppose if you are spending a lot of time in the what we call social media, reduce some time, at least every day half an hour or 1 hour. Try to listen some small speeches, small English conversation, and then try to listen some speeches of great personalities. So I already mentioned maybe the beginning you will not get anything, you will not get understand anything. Slowly you will be aware of certain words. As I mentioned, the baby, small baby, how to begin to start. The small baby do not know any meaning of anything, but by listening, by observation, the baby started to speak, and he know that amma, appa, father, mother, something like that. So the baby started to speak. Similarly, if you listen a lot in English, automatically you will also start to speak. And from the body languages, from the eye contact, body language, and automatically you will get the meaning also, slowly. So these are all the great way to learn English, so comprehensively. So you will get to know how to read, how to write, how to speak, how to listen, everything. So automatically one day I take it as a very great grand confidence. And first of all, you need a confidence, a strong desire, and a strong determination, and never be disappointed, never ignore your desire, and go ahead and never quit. Once you started, never quit, continuously tries, practice. These are all the best way. So I congratulate you, all of you, that you listen me. And if we don't have any much other people to motivate me also, so if you listen me and if you tell something, that may be a great motivation for me. I don't expect anything, any what we call money from the from this YouTube or anything. Just only what I know, just helping the people. That is only my ambition. So, and your motivation and your great words is the only motivation for me. Thank you very much for your listening with great patience.